Assalamu alaikum everybody. How are you dear candidates? Actually, this video is only for you, and in this video I would like to discuss with you a very important part of your whole O-level English language exam, and that is paper 2 section 2, meaning and effects. Okay. Now, most of you have confusions. Still, I have seen that you have weaknesses in meaning and effect questions. And for these reasons, dear, today I would like to say something to you so that you don't have any confusion, any problem about meaning and effect questions, right? Now, you know that whenever you will write the meaning and effect questions, first of all, you will read the question, what the writer has told, what the question setter has told. So in the question, before the meaning effect questions or the phrases, they will tell that write down the meaning and the effect about A, where the writer tells the feeling of the writer, and say for B, the action of the writer. So you read the question. After reading the question, you must understand that what is told actually in the question. So this question is basically on the basis of this question, you will focus on the meaning. Okay, because after reading the question, say what does the writer what the character is saying or what the character is feeling. So obviously, when the phrase will be given, after reading the question, you have to find that in the phrase, which word tells what the writer is feeling or what the writer is thinking. And you will understand that those words are the keywords, and then you have to change those words with contextually suitable synonym for the meaning. So, meaning means in what another way you will express the phrase, the simplified version of the phrase, okay, or the contextual meaning of the phrase, okay, by changing the keyword of the phrase. You will write down the meaning, and how you will understand which words are the keywords? By looking at the question, what is asked for in the question. Okay, so I repeat, meaning means the alternative way of expressing the phrase in full sentence, the easier version of the phrase, the simpler version of the phrase in full sentence, or in another way of telling the phrase in easy way, that is called meaning. Now, effect means the indicated meaning. What does the writer want to indicate? What does the writer want to imply? What is the underlying meaning? Let me give you an example. Say, a boy named Amin, one day he was going through the Shat Masjid Road. He met a boy named Fuad, and he found that Fuad was actually hungry. So Amin took Fuad to Pizza Hut, and when the pizzas came, Amin saw that Fuad devoured the pizzas. So the phrase is Fuad devoured the pizzas. What will be the meaning of this phrase? So you have to look for the synonym or contextually suitable synonym of devoured. So devouring means we know that eating fast or eating something quickly. So the meaning will be very simple. Fuad ate the pizzas fast, or Fuad ate the pizzas very quickly, meaning finished. Now, as you know that Fuad was hungry, or say we know the background of the story, and then it will be easier for us to understand that why Fuad had to devour. In what situation one takes food very quickly? Okay, you have to be reasonable. You have to justify. You have to, so to understand the effect, you have to read the whole paragraph to understand the situation. So, Fuad devoured the pizzas. What is the indicated meaning? What does it indicate? It indicates that Fuad was extremely hungry. Okay, so it indicates that Fuad was extremely hungry. That will be the effect. Now, say the context is different. Say the situation was that Fuad had to catch the train. He had to urgently go and have to had some food. So he devoured the food. Say, for example, this is the context. For your better understanding, I have told the background. So here, Fuad devoured the food. So what does it indicate? Why he devoured? So it indicates that Fuad was in a hurry. Okay, so depending on the context, depending on the situation, you will understand how the character, what the phrase indicates, what impression I am getting about the character, what impression I am getting about the feeling of the character, how the reader might have felt for the character, what does it indicate about the atmosphere. All these will be the effects. Practice heart and soul. Go and give your best efforts, dears. Practice as many as possible. Take a fantastic and superb preparation for your upcoming O-Levels, Paper 2, Section 2, English language. All the best wishes. Thank you, everybody.